Games we play. In this module, you will explore traditional and modern games and be introduced to the spirit of sportsmanship.
Games and fun. After work, we all like to play and have fun. Playing games makes us happy and helps us to relax. Games keep us fit and healthy. Games are played by people of all ages. Some games involve a lot of physical activities and are played by young people. Some games do not involve much physical activity, hence are enjoyed by people of all age groups. Kho-Kho. Kho-Kho is very popular with children and is often a part of the games in school. Kabaddi. It is a team sport and requires players to be strong and agile. It does not require any equipment or training. Gilli Danda. It is played all over the country and can be enjoyed for hours together. Pachisi. 4 players with 2 players teaming up as partners can play this game. This is a traditional Indian. Mallakhambh. The word Mallakhambh is derived from 2 words. Malla means gymnast and Khambh means pole. The game is said to have originated as far back as the 12th century. Modern games. Cricket. The most popular sport in India is cricket. Cricket is a team game with 11 members on each side. There are 2 forms of cricket: Test matches and one-day matches. T20 is the latest form of cricket. Football. Football is a sport played in almost all parts of tennis. There are 2 forms of tennis: table tennis, that is indoor, and lawn tennis, that is outdoor. Badminton. It is played by either 2 opposing players, singles, or 2 opposing pairs, doubles. It requires a shuttlecock and rackets. It can be played indoors as well as outdoors. Basketball. It is a team sport in which 2 teams of 5 players each try to score points by throwing or shooting a ball through a basket. Snooker. It is a cue sport that is played on a large, green, baize-covered table with pockets in each of the 4 corners and in the middle of each of the long sides. Spirit of sportsmanship. Sportsmanship means fair, generous and polite behavior while playing a game or a sport. Players should greet each other before starting the game. Players of opposite teams should not fight or physically harm each other. Players should always behave politely on the field and should not taunt or make fun of the losing team. Leisure and games. Besides playing games, we can also refresh ourselves by indulging in other activities like singing, dancing, and painting. Listening to music is a good way to relax. Learning music is even better. We should get involved in activities which not only give us pleasure but also teach us new forms of art. Activities such as painting, sculpting, paper mache, etc. are called creative arts. They are creative because they involve your imagination to produce something new or a work of art. Activities like dancing, singing, acting or playing a musical instrument are called performing arts. In this art form, the artist gives a performance. Playing, relaxing and having fun is just as important as work. It is important to maintain a balance between work and play. Games and similar activities refresh our minds and body.
Let's recap. After work, playing games makes us happy and relaxed. The traditional games include gilli danda, chess, etc. Modern games include cricket, basketball, badminton, etc. Besides playing games, we can also refresh our minds by indulging into other activities like singing, painting, and dancing.